Hi there, this is Mario Avila. I am from nowadays Nashville, Tennessee, originally from Chicago.
Excellent. So what are we looking at?
This one is a 1968 800 that we got out of Oklahoma. It was a retiree. She owned it for about 30 years when we picked it up.
Two-wheel drive?
Two-wheel drive, 152. We call her Scooter.
How's she drive?
Awesome. You know, it's nice because it's light. It's light. Original engine. Everything's original on this, except the paint. Of course, originally it was white, and it has a. She did in the '80s. She did a BMW green on it.
That's a pretty color.
Yeah, it's good. You know, it's funny. You could still see some of the brush strokes when she did the interior.
Oh yeah.
You know, obviously the hubcaps aren't original. I think these
no,
were
but
just
you know what? I like
works,
that look.
Right? It does work on it.
It works.
It works.
I like that.
It works. Yeah.
So I put I just said Mario was paying for it on the tab. Is that good?
That's it.
Yeah.